Over $50 billion gets dropped on car modifications every single year. But here's the brutal truth, most of it is pure money down the drain. In this video, I'm breaking down 15 modifications that are genuinely worth every penny, plus 7 that can destroy your engine. These picks are based on real-world testing, science, and years of seeing what actually works on the road and the track. And stick around till the end, I'm going to reveal one modification that can grenade your engine in under 3 minutes flat. Let's dive in. Mod number 15, High-Flow Air Filter. A quality high-flow air filter is one of the most popular starting mods, and for good reason. On a naturally aspirated engine, you're usually looking at a realistic 1 to 5% gain in horsepower and torque. On a 200 horsepower car, that's maybe 2 to 10 extra horses. Not earth-shattering, but it's there. The real benefit often shows up in combustion efficiency. Many drivers report a 1 to 2% bump in fuel economy under mixed driving. Over a year, that easily pays for a good K and N or BMC filter that runs $40 to $90. Just don't cheap out on no-name brands. Some flow great but filter like a window screen, letting dirt into your engine. And when you oil it, use a light hand. Too much and you'll coat your MAF sensor and cause headaches. Stick with proven names and install it properly. Mod number 14, Cold Air Intake. Now we're talking. A well-designed cold air intake moves the filter away from the hot engine bay so it can suck in cooler, denser air packed with more oxygen. That translates to stronger combustion. Expect 5 to 15 horsepower gains depending on the car, but the real magic is in how the car drives. Throttle response sharpens up instantly. You get that deep, satisfying whoosh under load and the engine feels way more alive. Even a boring commute starts to feel exciting. Big warning though, position matters. Put the filter too low and you risk sucking in water hydroxicity. That'll destroy an engine fast and your warranty won't touch it. Buy quality or have a pro install it. Mod number 13, Performance Exhaust System. There's something primal about a deep, throaty exhaust note that just connects you to the car. But good performance exhausts do way more than sound cool. By reducing back pressure and improving exhaust scavenging, you can pick up another 5 to 15 horsepower. High-quality systems also shed weight with better materials, which helps handling and acceleration while slightly improving fuel economy. The visuals are cleaner too. Just stay legal, delete the catalytic converter, and you're looking at massive fines from $2,500 up to $25,000 in some areas. Pair this with the next mod for the best results. Mod number 12, ECU Remap/ECU Tune. Factory ECUs are deliberately detuned. Manufacturers have to meet emissions rules and protect against warranty claims. A proper custom tune removes those handcuffs. On turbo cars especially, gains are serious. 10 to 30% more power and torque is common. I've seen MK7 GTIs jump from 228 horsepower to over 300 with a solid stage 1 tune. Add a good intake and you're knocking on 335 horsepower. Throttle becomes razor sharp, mid-range pulls hard, and some drivers even see better fuel economy when driven sensibly. But here's the dark side. Bad tunes run dangerously lean and hot. I've torn down engines with melted pistons and spun bearings from generic Stage 3 flash tunes. Always use a reputable tuner with proper data logging, knock monitoring, and dyno time. Custom is king. Mod number 11, Coilovers. If you're serious about handling, coilovers completely transform how a car drives. You get adjustable ride height and damping in one package, which cuts body roll and sharpens cornering. On the track, you'll shave real seconds off your lap times. On the street, they can make the car feel planted and precise. Just know they ride firmer. Some kits punish you on rough roads. Quality kits aren't cheap, often running $1,500 to $3,000. They work best when paired with other supporting mods. I'll tell you which ones near the end. Mod number 10, Oil Catch Can. Direct injection engines are efficient, but they love to coat the intake valves with oil, vapor, and carbon. An oil catch can trap that junk before it builds up. For GDI engines, this is one of the smartest preventive mods you can do. Spend $100 $150 now or $800 $200 later cleaning your intake manifold. Maintenance is key though. Drain it regularly, especially in cold weather where condensation can freeze. Done right, it keeps your engine breathing clean for thousands of extra miles. Mod number 9, upgraded spark plugs and coils. Reliable spark is everything. Even a tiny delay in ignition timing throws off the entire combustion event. Performance plugs and coils shine when you're pushing the engine hard, high RPM, boosted applications, or track use. They handle heat better and last longer than stock. Some drivers go 80,000 to 100,000 miles on a good set. They won't magically add big power on their own, but they keep everything else working properly when you start adding serious mods. Mod number 8, high-performance alloys. Lighter wheels are one of those mods that make the car feel faster without actually adding horsepower. Cutting 10-20 pounds of unsprung weight per corner dramatically improves suspension response, braking, and acceleration feel. The car turns in sharper, stops better, and revs up quicker. You'll also see a small fuel economy gain. Go with quality forged or flow-formed wheels from reputable brands. Cheap replicas crack, bend, and ruin your day fast. Mod number 7, aluminum radiator upgrade. Heat is the silent killer of performance engines. Once you start tuning or tracking a car, the stock plastic radiator becomes a weak link. A proper aluminum radiator with thick cores, TIG welded tanks, and better flow can drop coolant temps by 20–50%. That means more consistent power, less timing pull, and longer engine life. Pair it with a high-flow fan, proper shrouding, and quality hoses. Use the right coolant mix and burp the system correctly. This is one of those invisible mods that saves engines. Mod number 6, performance brake rotors. Nothing kills confidence like brake fade after a few hard stops. Performance rotors with proper venting, slots, or drilled designs shed heat much better and resist fade. They also clear water and debris faster in the rain for stronger bite. Two-piece floating rotors cut weight too, helping handling. Combine them with quality pads and you get a complete, confident braking system that actually makes driving more fun and safer. Mod number 5, performance camshafts. Cams control everything about how your engine breathes. Aggressive cams with higher lift and longer duration let in more air and fuel at high RPM, delivering serious top-end power, often 10–25% on naturally aspirated builds. The trade-off, rougher idle, less low-end torque, and more stress on the valvetrain. You'll need stronger springs. Proper tuning and supporting mods. This is not a beginner mod, but when done right on a built engine, it's pure adrenaline. Mod number 4, lightweight pulley kit. Reducing rotational mass is free power. Lightweight aluminum pulleys cut the load on your engine so it can rev faster and send more power to the wheels, typically 3 to 10 horsepower. They work great on lightly modified cars, but you must get the harmonic balancer right or you'll create dangerous vibrations. Professional installation is highly recommended. Mod number 3, upgraded fuel pump or fuel injectors. Big power mods need big fuel. When you add forced induction or serious bolt-ons, stock injectors and pumps can't keep up, leading to lean conditions that melt pistons. Upgraded fuel delivery keeps everything safe under load. Pair it with a proper ECU tune so you don't run too rich and foul plugs or kill your catalytic converter. This mod quietly prevents thousands in engine damage. Mod number 2, turbo timer. Turbocharged cars take serious abuse. After hard driving, those turbos are glowing hot over 200 degrees F. Shut the engine off immediately and the oil cooks into sludge, starving the bearings. A simple turbo timer lets the engine idle down safely. For $150 200 it can save you a $3,000 plus turbo replacement. One of the highest return on investment mods for turbo owners. Mod number 1, forced induction. This is the king. Properly done turbo or supercharger setups can turn a regular car into a rocket. 40% power gains at minimum, sometimes doubling output. Superchargers give instant response, turbos deliver higher peak power and better efficiency. Either way, you must upgrade cooling, fuel, drivetrain, and tuning. Half measures here get expensive fast. 7 mods that kill your engine. Mod number 7, rolling coal. Intentionally dumping black smoke might look tough to some, but it's terrible for the engine. It washes cylinder walls, dilutes oil, and destroys turbos. Fines can hit 5 figures, zero upside. Mod number 6, EGR delete. While it might clean up the intake slightly, deleting the EGR is illegal, throws the car into limp mode, and hurts emissions compliance. Use a catch can and proper maintenance instead. Mod number 5, water methanol injection without fail-safes. Great power potential, but if the system fails and the ECU is tuned for it, your engine detonates instantly. Most people skip the expensive fail-safes and pay the price. Mod number 4, cheap aftermarket headers. Junk headers leak, crack, and let exhaust into the cabin. Carbon monoxide poisoning is a real risk. Pay for quality or don't bother. Mod number 3, nitrous oxide systems without proper safeguards. Massive power on demand, but without perfect tuning and safety systems, nitrous can destroy engines in seconds. Many forget the cost of repeated rebuilds. Mod number 2, catless downpipes. Extra noise and minor power at the cost of failed emissions, huge fines, constant cell, and premature turbo death. Not worth it. Mod number 1, rev limiter removal. Zero benefits. Going past the factory redline is a fast ticket to total engine destruction, full rebuild territory. There you have it, 15 mods that can genuinely transform your car when done right, and 7 you should avoid like the plague. Remember, even good modifications add stress. Take care of your engine and it'll take care of you. If you enjoyed this, drop a comment with what mod you're considering next. I read every single one. Smash like if you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe.